अंगड़ाइयाँ लेते हुए जो मुस्कुरा दो जरा, सांसें मेरी धीमी धीमी सी रुक न जाए देखो ना, यूं ही दिल की ख्वाहिश अधूरी ना रहने दो। तुम कभी मेरी तरफ देखा करो, दिल के गीत आँखों से गाया करो। तुम कभी मेरी तरफ देखा करो।
हो freedom, freedom garage.
विक्रम joins me in the studio today, brother. Thank you so much मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए।
Thank you so much for having me here.
और मैंने जैसे बोला कि आप बड़े सालों से एक्चुअली म्यूजिक में इन्वॉल्व हैं, लेकिन यहाँ फ्रीडम गराज में हमारी मुलाकात पहली बार हो रही है। एंड आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड दिस प्लेटफॉर्म फ्रीडम गराज फॉर सिंपली आर्टिस्ट लाइक यू, जो पहले घर पे म्यूजिक बना रहे थे, उसके बाद स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स पर रिलीज कर रहे थे, अपने ही बलबूते पर रिलीज कर रहे थे, लेबल शायद यूज कर रहे थे, शायद नहीं यूज करते, फर्क नहीं पड़ता था। बट क्या है कि ना, समटाइम्स इन दिस सी ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू स्टैंड आउट राइट नाउ, जब तक आपका गाना सपोजिंग वायरल नहीं होता है। सो यू नो द लास्ट 4-5 years or 6 years of posting music out there and the many years before that of creating music, इसकी जर्नी हमें थोड़ा सा स्टार्ट करके बताओ।
I have been in music ever since I was a child, really. I was born into a music family. I was born into a music label.
Correct.
Which my mother started, I think, about 6 months after I was born.
Wow.
The label is named after my mother,
Right.
by my grandfather, who started the label in... It wasn't a label, actually. The original Sagarika Music was a record manufacturing plant.
Right.
So all the vinyl records and a lot of the vinyl records in India used to be made by our factory.
Wow.
So to put it in a timeline, our family has been in the music business for about 50 years now.
Fantastic.
So this was about...
So this was, you were like to the manner born, मतलब करना ही था ये.
Yeah, it was about as inevitable as it can
correct.
get. But I'm the first idiot who actually wants to perform it and not.
Because I think the business of music में जैसे सलीम सुलेमान, their
Right.
fathers also was in the business of music. They came very organically into it also. आपकी फैमिली भी business of music में है, but आपका ये organic transition हुआ था या फिर do you think that it was, yeah, it took some time?
No, it was always, I was 4 years old and telling everyone I want to be a composer. Because
Not singer, composer.
composer, always. My first thing was always composer, because if you listen to me singing when I'm a child, it's,
Yeah.
you know,
Not the first choice.
it's not anyone's first choice. So, yeah, composer was always my thing. I was always very interested in... when I was around 8, my mother took me to a lovely Parsi gentleman called Cyrus Panthaki.
Okay.
He was a wonderful piano teacher. Till this date, I credit any kind of musical ability that I have
Yeah.
to him.
Okay.
Because he was very patient with me.
Okay.
He believed in me, really. He was the first one to...
और धुनें बनाना he taught you.
No. He was. It was just classical piano.
Okay. Okay.
Composition and all that stuff I got from all my mother's friends, you know.
Okay.
Artists like Avdut Gupte,
Wow.
Vaishali
love it.
Samant,
Okay.
Swapnil Bandodkar. These people are people I grew up around.
I haven't heard Avdut's name in a long time. Good to see him. And Vaishali Samant also, I mean, I remember, yeah, iconic Aika Dajiba.
Correct.
बहुत time हो गया है. Are they doing a lot of music right now also?
Of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone is still doing releasing with the label.
Oh, nice.
Everyone is still going strong. I play guitar for Avdut's shows now.
Oh, fantastic.
So
Shows तो खैर अलग बात है, वो तो एक अलग दुनिया है जिसमें आएंगे.
yeah.
And so you start playing piano Cyrus sir के साथ में.
Correct.
और तब एक ऐसा time obviously will come in your life when you realize, okay, I'm good at this.
Right.
So when was that realization? Good at this.
I don't know. I feel like I never considered good or bad in it. I was always very fascinated with the process of creation.
Correct.
Even when I was learning piano, it wasn't necessarily like I wanted to play the pieces.
Okay.
It was always, I was very curious as to why this person has composed in this way. Like if Tchaikovsky Piano Concerto No. 1, that was the first big piece that my
Okay.
that my piano teacher did.
Beethoven सब किया है. Wow.
That's a solid foundation, you know.
Right.
But I never cared if I could play it perfectly.
Okay.
I cared that if I can understand why he's composing it that way, why the chords are coming out in a certain way,
Right.
and if I can do something of my own,
Right.
which I did my first composition when I was 10,
Yeah.
which lasted about 15 minutes, and it was the
You
most
did your first composition at 10.
much yeah.
Wow, yeah, that's
No, but it was the most boring thing that you will hear till date, because my teacher taught me chords,
yeah.
and I thought, okay, now I will take all the chords that I've learned
And put together.
and about 2 minutes per chord. And it was a big, you know, it was a big idea, and there was a big concept behind it, and he stopped me about halfway through while I was playing it and said, okay, just you know,
But I think बहुत जरूरी ये होता है कि एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, एक म्यूजिकल आर्टिस्ट और क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट का फ्रीडम ही ये होता है कि आप अपनी सोच को लेकर यू ट्राई टू पुट इट आउट समवेयर, जब दूसरे पर सुनते हैं तो आपको समझ में आता है कि पीपल लाइक इट और नॉट. बट आई थिंक 2019 व्हेन यू केम आउट विद योर ट्रैक, इसके बारे में जरूर जानना चाहेंगे, बिकॉज ऑलवेज अच्छा लगता है स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर जाके आप इतने सारे नाम हैं आपके, इतने ट्रैक्स हैं. वॉज इट अ नर्वस टाइम, वॉज इट समथिंग दैट भाई आप बड़े टाइम से इसको कंपोज कर रहे थे, लिख रहे थे, या जो भी, या ऐसे ही बोलते चलो निकाल लेते, ऐसा हुआ, कैसा हुआ?
it's a little bit of both. Nervousness, I don't think मुझे बहुत हुआ है in releasing music at least. क्योंकि I've been producing, I've been playing guitar, I've been making tracks for our label for a very long time.
Correct. But it was a natural progression.
So making music is something that I would just do. So this track is a little bit of the first track that I released, vocal track. Before this, I released a lot of instrumental tracks. I was a guitarist. The first vocal track that I released shocked a lot of people because it was in Hindi. they were like, "तू लिख भी सकता है क्या हिंदी में?"
So again, composed, written, sung, everything by you.
Produced everything, yeah.
Wow. Is that also because आप obviously because you've been making music for a long time, so you were sure what you wanted. But लोग writing में कई बार मात खा जाते हैं. They don't know exactly how to fit it in. तो लोग normally lyrics writers को hire करते हैं.
I come from, I guess, a different mentality. I've grown up listening to people like, say, John Mayer. I've grown up listening to people who write their own ideas.
बिल्कुल.
So I feel like if I'm doing my own music,
You should write your own.
I should be able to express it in that way. So, which is why a lot of the things that I write are in English, because I'm more fluent in English.
A lot of musicians, ex-musicians, or older musicians feel that music is too simple these days, and it's connecting very well, but it's too simple, and that's not the way it should be. What do you think?
I don't know. I look, no music, the music that even sounds the most simple. Let's take a song like "Shape of You." Right? That is a very simple, like. But to arrive at that simple idea, you have to go through so much.
Correct.
So anything that really connects and hooks someone on one listen, it's not a simple idea. The simplicity comes when I think people just they say, okay, chal jayega. You know, that I think is what translates as simplicity.
And I think anyway, music अगर कोई appreciate कर रहा है तो कर ही रहा है boss. So your first 2019 बातें comes out. Let's hear a little bit from it, and then we'll talk about your. See, it's not about nervousness, but proud feeling तो होती है कि मेरी vocals बाहर आ गई. घर वालों ने क्या बोला? You pass a test?
No, never. There is no. Like my grandmother, who passed away just recently, she was the only one who would kind of just listen and go, "If it's you, हाँ ठीक है." भाल लक्ष्य सुंदर, sorry, not in Bengali.
Bengali, yeah. Bhal Lakshmi means I'm liking it.
So she was the only one who would kind of just say, "Yes, that's perfect, amazing."
But did you do a lot of Rabindranath Sangeet also, and a lot of Bengali music also with you? Yeah.
No.
Achha.
Fascinatingly enough, no Rabindra Sangeet, but I've heard a lot of folk music. The thing is, I've heard a lot, but actually performing, I've performed a lot of Western stuff. I've performed a lot of Bollywood stuff. So
तो आप एक हाइब्रिड मॉडल हो एक्चुअली.
Exactly.
सुना अलग है, क्लासिकल सीखे हो, लेकिन कंटेम्पररी प्ले करते हो.
So even with this song, like this is Baatein.
हो जाए.
The song starts with a slightly jazzy kind of. बातें यूं ही होते होते जाने कितने बीत गई है रातें पल दो पल की है ये मुलाकातें दो लफ्ज़ों में बयां हो रही है जिंदगी ऐसी है ये बातें.
Nice. Lots of quick changes in there also.
It's musically, it's very heavily jazz inspired because I went to a primarily jazz music college, Berklee College of Music in Boston. It started off as a jazz school. So the theory and the harmony that they teach you is very jazz inspired.
Right.
But I wasn't introduced to a lot of that before I went there. I was completely in the Bollywood and the blues kind of world. So once I got there and I realized, okay, all these kind of changes, all these things are possible to do. Like
और इसको तुमने हिंदी गाने में wow.
exactly, there's a lot of room to just play. I think that's the thing that people forget a lot is that you're playing music. Most people think that playing music is just playing music.
Correct.
But then you have to play with music.
Correct.
So
How was the response for this when it came out?
it was just the first song that I released. Yeah. So we shot a video in Goa for it. Everyone liked it. My entire friend circle, when they see me, they just sing that little hook in the beginning that's supposed to be blah. So blah 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 because it's bate blah blah da, da, but nobody realized that.
But आपका ये जो नया गाना है तो मेरी तरफ लेकिन एक तारुफ भी है. इसकी क्या कहानी थी?
So I wrote this song I think around 2 years ago. But it was just it was a nice song. And I was thinking about what to do because I released Bate 2 years ago. And this song is very similar to that. So I didn't want to do something exactly in the same vein. So Taraf can be spelt as RUFF. So then it kind of evolved into a concept where I'm with my dog and I'm trying to get the attention of a girl who is just not noticing me at all. So इस गाने का जो video बना है, it's made in the same way also. It's made with me and my dog Theo, and that was basically I like to do puns. Like even the rough versions of this song were called Meri TAROUGH. So that's what's there.
The rough version was called TAROUGH. I like it.
So that was the basic concept. It feels like if you want to get a little intellectual with it and think about it a little more, this whole genre is called this whole style of love is called puppy love. When you're getting a little, it's not this evolved kind of romance.
Correct.
It's a little bit of you feel like you're a little puppy when you're in love. You feel very excited. If you had a tail, you'd be wagging it.
You have great observation skills for words and for moments. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना कि माइक्रो में लोग कम रहते हैं, मैक्रो में ज्यादा रहते हैं.
Right.
और जो माइक्रो में रहते हैं वही सब ये ऐसे मोमेंट्स को कैप्चर करके कुछ कर सकते हैं. I think that's a skill that you do have. That's why you're able to maybe write also.
Writing has been one of my. If I wasn't doing this, I would be writing.
Really?
So I love writing. I love writing in any way. I don't know I don't like the process of writing.
Correct. वो तो.
I think.
So you are those writers जहाँ नीचे पूरा पाइल पड़ा होता है crumpled papers का या नहीं?
Yeah, totally. I detest the process of writing.
Correct.
But I don't know what I would do if I wasn't writing. Like that's my thing.
तो ChatGPT और AI तो आपके दोस्त होंगे.
नहीं.
अच्छा नहीं है.
I'm telling you, I had such a big argument with most people with this. If it was up to me, I would be handwriting everything that I do.
No, I'm like you. मैं मुनीम जी हूँ. मेरे पास है एक्सेल शीट, लेकिन मेरे पास एक लाल किताब है जहाँ पे मैं अपने सारे स्टॉक्स लिखता हूँ.
Correct.
मैं वैसा हूँ. I think all Bengalis are like this. एक होता है हमारे पास, एक तिजोरी होती है और एक लाल किताब होती है उसमें.
Yeah, I don't know. See, a lot of people say that AI is going to take away the jobs of writers.
Right.
I don't know. In a certain way, it might make it easier for a while,
हाँ.
but you can't replace the
No.
thrill of it.
एब्सोल्युटली वो तो सिर्फ प्रॉम्प्ट्स देता है आपको, और हम जैसे लोगों का प्रॉम्प्ट वो बैठता ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
वो जो असेंबली लाइन वाले जो लोग होते हैं वो उनके लिए है. क्रिएटिव लोगों का तो कभी प्रॉम्प्ट होता ही नहीं है कुछ. Exactly, that's what I feel anyway. So we'll have to hear this new track,
Yeah.
which is not really new in your mind. 2 years back it was made.
Yeah.
समय लग गया इसको निकालने में.
The whole thinking was that I just released Baatein. So I don't want to. My whole thing
But
is I
लोगों का
want
ये
to.
थॉट होता है कि एवरी मंथ निकलना चाहिए, कई बार हर इवन समटाइम्स इवन मोर रेगुलरली निकलना चाहिए, और आपको तो 2 साल कम टाइम लग रहा है.
Look, at the end of the day, it's a body of work that you're creating. It doesn't matter. Someone should be able to go to your Spotify or your body of work and think, okay, this is all nice. If it takes a little more time, it takes a little more time. You know.
Nice, I like it.
So
हाँ, एंड ऑफ द रिजल्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्कोर बोर्ड पे जो रन बनते हैं वो ये चेक नहीं करता कि आपने लंच में बनाया है, ब्रेकफास्ट में बनाया है, कब बनाया.
Exactly.
100 है यार भाई, सिंपल है, हो जाए.
अंगड़ाइयाँ लेते हुए जो मुस्कुरा दो जरा, सांसें मेरी धीमी धीमी सी रुक न जाए, देखो ना यूं ही दिल की ख्वाहिश अधूरी ना रहने दो. तुम कभी मेरी तरफ देखा करो, दिल के गीत आँखों से गाया करो, तुम कभी मेरी तरफ देखा करो.
सो लवली, सो लाइट, ब्यूटीफुल. रिमाइंड्स मी ऐसे आप कोई लंदन वंडन में बैठे हो, बागीचे में कहीं बैठे हो, यू जस्ट सिंगिंग अ ट्रैक. That's how it is. I mean, music should be simple, should be nice. Your biggest, supporter in your family?
My mother.
Yeah, and people, and she truly believes in the power of your independent music, or does she feel that you should eventually थोड़ा बैठ जाओ थोड़ा Bollywood style में?
This whole thing is just an experiment of me and my mother, you know. I don't know. There is. It's hard to place a finger on it. You would say like naturally that, oh no, she believes in me, but I think it's deeper than that. I think it's just a vision that both her and I have seen since I was a kid. As a owner of a music label, for her, it's hard to digest some of the stuff that I give her. Because she came from the
Commercial space.
from the remix era. You know, our big hits were Aika Dajiba. They were Sajna Hai Mujhe remix, if you remember that.
Yeah, of course.
Those were all the tracks that we were putting out. You know, so you come from that mentality,
This, yeah.
and then your son throws you this. So
So you don't want to make that, or you don't feel comfortable?
I
making
love it. I love making that. But this is there. You know, this is what naturally is kind of coming out. So I have a lot of tracks that are quite dancey, that are quite, that have a lot of punch to them. But I find this more interesting. You know, I'm not. For one, I think as an artist, you should just release what you want to hear.
And I think वैसे भी आर्टिस्ट आपकी तरह ही सोचना चाहते हैं. फाइनेंस एंड अदर थिंग्स आर द ओनली कंपल्शन जिसकी वजह से शायद उनको वो करना पड़ता है.
Completely. That's I have the biggest advantage in the world.
Absolutely.
That I can do this experimental kind of music.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I also have to put in the work. So a lot of my time goes in producing for other people, for producing for movies, producing for playing guitar for sessions. You know, I've done a lot of that. I've done a lot of work in
Have you
ads.
used the label and your background ever in your favor? You don't seem like the kind of guy.
No, because some of it just naturally comes out of that.
Correct.
This industry is very who you know, who
Absolutely,
you know.
absolutely.
And it's very based on convenience.
Correct.
Actually, like if you just know someone is a phone call away
Obviously.
and they're nice, that's how you kind of get the work.
I like this line you said, and they're nice. अगर लोग difficult होते तो आपको वैसे भी झंझट में फंसना नहीं है.
Yeah. There is one of my heroes of all time is Conan O'Brien.
Okay.
And he says, work hard and be kind, and good things will happen. And I still kind of believe that. But I have a massive leg up to where I can produce all this stuff and I can have it released through my label. But I think the natural progression is that you can support other artists also.
Correct.
Since I come from this mentality, eventually I'm also making a lot of decisions about what songs get released on the label. So we get to, now if you listen to our channel, we get to
It's a good mix, huh?
we get to explore a lot of stuff that normally wouldn't be explored.
एक अच्छी बात है, आपकी मदर की सोच अलग है, आपकी अलग है, और दोनों का मिक्स अच्छा है. Opposites don't necessarily always have to be away from each other.
Oh yes, but it's very difficult when they are together.
But good on you that you're trying to experiment with music also. Living in the world that you exist in, also trying your own stuff. I think that's the way to go. और मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत अच्छा एक टाइम आ चुका है. आपकी एक अलग फैन बेस, अलग फैन फॉलोइंग आ गई है.
Yeah.
You have a long and very, very mixed future ahead of you where you will have the right mix, और आपका जो बुफे बनेगा वो बहुत perfect होगा. Thanks so much for joining us. Yeah.
Thank you very much for having me.
रेडियो सिटी रग रग में दौड़े सिटी.